Oh, let's go, baby. Precision. Still I have my head up high. Let's go. All right. Let's see what we got. Broken hearted. All right, so be just a face in the crowd. What I think, it's my life. It's now or never. All right, so SPY is actually looking. It's looking nice. We did break above, but we broke above with major bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence and unfilled Asia and London highs. So, with that being said, since those are all unfilled, we actually, I mean, looking for a drop. I really wouldn't go. Let's go to the 1 hour. I would go long above 694. We go back above 694. We'll take it. Which I wouldn't be surprised. Let me just pop back through. Yeah, so 694 to 696. Solid move. Or what I would like to happen is that we come up, right? We open around here. Like we still have an hour, so a lot can happen pre-market. But I would like to fail 692.30. Fail pre-market lows because a lot of the times, SPY likes to bounce pre-market lows. So break through pre-market lows at that 690 level. And then take it all the way down to 686. Hopefully break through. When we break through 686, should get a pretty nice push to the downside. So that would be ideal for what I would like. But obviously, you gotta be ready for both sides. If we break up, then we just take it up $2, 696. So I just, again, we're at oversold levels with the bearish divergence, so I'm not really going to be going heavy to the upside here. Oh yeah, we have job claims. Actual 198, forecast 215, previous 208. So be curious to see how that reacts. I would like, man, I still want the fall, but we can see Qs. Qs tells us a lot too. Super oversold as well. NVIDIA is just, I don't even care to watch the video right now. We swept right here. We swept this 181.90. But now we'll see, I guess. created. Jeez. Above 187, probably take it to 190. And I said, oh, so I held my head up high. Yeah. What the hell? Alright, whatever. I didn't really try the video yesterday. I don't like it. Tesla. Tesla. Curious to see if we break through that 443. We have bearish divergence there. I would want to see it break above 443 pretty strong, and then possibly take it to 447. Or we go reject, right? We could sweep it, reclaim back under 443, potentially go all the way down. Excuse me, to 432. At least see what we do here at the 436, right? But I think we should take that all the way down. We should be able to take that sweep all the way down if it gives it to us. Otherwise, like I said, yeah, boom, just above 443. So either there or there. That's all I really want. For Tesla, AMD. Oh, wow. Powered right through that. Nice. Nice. AMD is strong. Oh, wait to see what happens here with AMD. Definitely could just be filling this gap to drop. Excuse me. I wouldn't really take it to the upside though with the bearish divergence. I'm not really liking nothing right now. To be honest, not really liking nothing. Yeah. I would still want a reject. I would still want to reject. I guess I would just wait to see what we do when market opens and how far we go pre-market. Got your message. Got to prepare for both sides. I hate playing it's gonna reject or it's gonna pop. I just like it should essentially based off what we see reject, but if it pops, be ready for both. Sometimes it'll make you be like married to a side. Don't get married to a side. Just let it happen. Just let it happen. Flow with the market. Flow with the market. And I said, oh, so Meta, I would love this reject, but I feel like we might break through this and go to 630. So Meta is one of my favorites for sure. This is going to be, either 624 reject or through 624 to 631 or above 631 to 636. So these are definitely levels I'm going to be looking for today. If we open and just drop again, then we could look for that 612.40 bounce or under 612, potentially 604, which is pretty big. I think that's all pre-market. No. I think it should make that whole move. If we break 612, we should go to 604. So that's gonna be one of my key. That's gonna be one of my favorites for the day. I would love to take that whole thing. That'd be awesome. Microsoft was nice yesterday. Yeah, I mean, really just Meta and Tesla is the ones that I don't mind watching. Like pre-market right now. Meta and Tesla. Meta 624 reject or above 624 to 631 or below 612 to 604. It would also help, right? Let's say Meta and Tesla both start falling and we're looking for a downside move and SPY is also pushing to the downside, but not the clearest. It'll help. It helps. Tesla, we're gonna go. I still kind of want that reject right there, but I don't even think I need that there. Yeah. I want above 443 to 452. That'd be nice. Or in between this 442 to see. That's going to be the problem. I say 446 to 452, and that's still a big move. That's 825, that's 830 candle. I got filled though. So yeah, I mean, I think at least 450 would be a safe sell. 443 to 450 will go. Yeah. 443 to 450. Mm. 443 to 450. Or 443 for and I said, oh, so I held my hand up. At least 435. 443 reject to 435. Big moves. Big money. Big money to be made. Let's make it. I feel. Let's freaking make it. Right? Yeah. See, realistically, we want like a nice break. We want to fill this gap even, retest, and then come down. Right? That's like the overall trade we want to see. Same with if we break to the upside. Fill where you want it to then come bounce and then take it higher, right? So that first initial move, that's where people get FOMO and try to enter, right? There's like that first 5-minute candle close and then grab the wick to enter and then take it up to that first TP. But the bigger move is to wait, you should feel like you're missing the trade. And then you're gonna swallow that FOMO. You're not gonna get it. It's gonna come back and we're either gonna inverse and take it to the downside, or we're gonna see signs of momentum slowing down, and then we're going to get a confirmation candle, and then we're going to take it right back to previous highs. That's going to be our first trim, and then full TP. All right? That's how we do it. Patience. Patience. This man was everything. Everything's going to reject today. All right. I hope so. I don't know. We're just waiting to see. And I said, oh, so I held my head up high. Look at that, man. We literally still have 40 minutes for market to open. So see what happens. Let's look at Microsoft. Yeah, try Microsoft. So we could do the 458. And I said, oh. Boom. That's some pretty good levels on Microsoft too. 466 to 470. Or that 466 reject. Right back down to 458. I was like, dang. That's right there right now. Boom, that's the low. Break the low. Nice. Nice. Take 458 down to 452. Won't be too bad. Jordy, stop. All right. And I said, oh, at least 453. Can you guys go for a second? I'm almost done. Go. Go. I'm almost done. Needy ass stuff. They cute though. You gotta love them. Boom. 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 $4 and then stop and then go another $2 potentially. But I think that's all filled already, so it should just continue. And I said, oh. Apple's just holding. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is 452. And then 444. We can take it all the way. feel like all this is just kind of ugly, but we could very well invert it. I think below 455 we see a pretty big move. Or 445, sorry. 445 to 437. That's a pretty big move. If we break that, 427. Yeah, I mean, we can keep going down the rabbit hole here. Yeah. So far away from price. Let's just wait to see what happens. All right. From here to here, not really crazy. I think it'll still fall. I still think it'll come up to that 466, reject that 466, and then come down to 458 again, potentially 452. So we can watch that. I like it. Microsoft. Let's go 466 reject. So 458 below 458. 452. And then AMD, yeah, hell yeah. Like that. Yeah, if AMD breaks below 227, we'll take that to 223 all day. Hopefully past it. SPY. Oh yeah, SPY just filled. Bro, I want everything to drop today. But we'll see. Meta, Tesla, AMD. I was watching Microsoft. Let's set an alert there. Let's set an alert there. I'm just setting alerts on everything because, you know. I'll be watching SPY. Meta's alert is set. Let's set one up here. Tesla, definitely set one up here. Yeah, I'll be watching that. AMD, set one here. All right, it's a lot of alerts. I hope my computer is ding, 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 ding. All right, let's go. That's good. Microsoft alerts are on. AMD's alerts are on. Let's do it. We'll get it. All right, let's be patient. Let's see what's up. All right. And then call me. We could do that Bible. We got a Bible verse for us.